Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to discuss a straightforward yet profoundly impactful concept, helping others without expecting anything in return. It's essentially about being kind, empathetic, and compassionate. In a world often preoccupied with personal gain, selfless assistance can make a significant difference. When you offer help to someone without any expectation of repayment, you're not just providing aid, you're sowing the seeds of positive change. You become a symbol of hope, inspiring others in the process. Reflect on moments when someone extended their help to you without seeking anything in exchange. Recall how that act of kindness made you feel appreciated, valued, and understood. Now, imagine how your own acts of kindness can create a ripple effect in the lives of those you assist. Helping others in this way also connects you to a more profound purpose. It serves as a reminder that we're all part of a broader human family, bound together by our shared humanity. In challenging times, it's our capacity for compassion and our willingness to lend a hand that truly defines us as a species. I acknowledge that it's not always easy to help others without expecting something in return. We all face our own challenges and desires. However, it's essential to recognize that the essence of generosity lies in its purity. When you help someone with no ulterior motive, you experience a level of fulfillment that material possessions can't replicate. So, let's wholeheartedly embrace the idea of aiding those who may never be able to repay us. Let's embody compassion, offer support, and contribute to making the world a better place. In doing so, we not only uplift those in need but also elevate ourselves to a higher level of humanity. In conclusion, kindness serves as an enduring currency, and generosity is a gift that continues to give. Let's strive to be guiding lights, sources of hope, and exemplars of selfless service. Together, we can create a world where helping others is the standard, and compassion is our guiding principle. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more great content. Goodbye.